Your stories will create loyal followers for your business. It will create long-lasting relationships. It will create true fans. So it is necessary to constantly send messages to the world for interested people to consume. For that, you need easy-to-use software to create your messages beautifully. And it shouldn't be complex. Is there any software like that? Yes. For years we are using that. And its name is Canva. For all types of content creation, you will get templates, free images, free elements and everything you need. And the best part, the dashboard is so intuitive that you can learn the design in a matter of minutes. Our advice for beginners is to start with free Canva templates. We are constantly making them for free, and you can find it here. Or you can mimic your favorite designs. Whenever you become an expert, you can switch to Canva Pro. You will surely love it. You can start your free trial here. Even if you are not interested in designing things, tell as many stories to the world. In the end, it is not the amount of money you made with business tactics that counts. It is the number of minds you touched with your business that gives satisfaction.